In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a referral program on PartnerStack so you can start growing your business by leveraging your network. If you're new to PartnerStack, this is a powerful platform that helps businesses create and manage referral programs, partnerships, and affiliate networks. Stick with me until the end because I'll also share an exclusive offer for you to try PartnerStack completely free with some special bonuses. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is sign up for a PartnerStack account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard, where you'll see the option to create a new program. You'll want to click on the Create Program button to start. From here, you can customize your referral program according to your goals. Now, one of the most important aspects of setting up a referral program is defining what kind of rewards or commissions you want to offer your partners. PartnerStack lets you choose between a variety of compensation models, such as one-time payments, recurring commissions, or tiered payouts. Think about what works best for your business. For example, if you have a subscription-based service, recurring commissions might be a great way to keep your partners motivated long-term. Next, you'll want to decide on the structure of your referral program. You can create a program with just one type of partner or multiple partner types, like influencers, affiliates, or resellers. This flexibility allows you to create a program that's suited to your business model. Once you've set up your structure, you can add program rules. PartnerStack gives you the ability to define exactly what counts as a successful referral and how partners will be credited for their efforts. Once your program is set up, you can start inviting partners to join. You'll find an invite link on the dashboard that you can share directly with potential referrers. This makes it super easy to bring people on board and begin growing your network. You'll also be able to track everything in real time. PartnerStack's dashboard gives you detailed analytics about your program, so you can see which partners are performing the best and which areas might need improvement. A great feature that PartnerStack offers is its integration with tools like Stripe and PayPal for seamless payment processing. This means you can automate payouts to your partners, making it more efficient and helping you build trust with your network. You won't need to manually track payments or deal with invoicing. PartnerStack does all of that for you. As you start growing your program, you'll want to engage your partners and keep them motivated. PartnerStack makes it easy to send updates, track performance, and even gamify the experience to make your referral program more exciting. You can offer bonuses for top performers, creating competition and encouraging your partners to work even harder. If you're still unsure about the specifics of setting up a referral program on PartnerStack, there are plenty of support materials available to guide you. They offer detailed documentation, and their support team is there to help if you run into any issues. If you're ready to give it a go, I've got something special for you. You can get started with PartnerStack for free by clicking the first link in the description below. Plus, I've arranged an exclusive extended trial for you, so you can really dive in and explore everything the platform has to offer. In conclusion, PartnerStack is a great tool for creating and managing referral programs. Whether you're just starting or looking to scale your partner network, this platform provides all the features and flexibility you need. Start creating your referral program today and see how PartnerStack can help you grow your business.